What's up, everybody? In this video, we'll be taking a look at a Cherry Hill Bible Rebind in Horween leather, so stay tuned. Hey, and welcome back. With the introduction of the Crossway Heirloom editions in Horween leather, the popularity for Horween Chromexcel leather Bibles has never been higher, and the Rebind community is starting to see the demand in custom Rebind work. This is one of the first Horween Bibles from my buddy Dave at Cherry Hill Bibles, and this is in a tumbled Chromexcel. So it's not the typical Chromexcel. This is a tumbled, and it has a kind of an already built-in pattern on the cover. His work is really great as usual. The tool work on the spine is great. The stamping on this Chromexcel leather is really crisp and clean. It is blind stamped. I think that's probably due to the nature of the Chromexcel leather being an oil tanned leather. The Cherry Hill Bible logo is really crisp and clean. Holy Bible ESV. Now this is a large print personal size edition, and it'll have the 12-point font in a dual column layout. Here I can show you the differences between the tumbled and non-tumbled Horween Chromexcel leather. On this side is the typical Chromexcel leather. This is on a ESV Legacy from Crossway, and this is the tumbled, and you can see it has a little more character. The tumbled has like that little bit of marbling look to it, but they both are the same leather. So this is like it's already been through a little bit of a break-in process. This Horween is just really absolutely stunning. I have fallen in love with this Horween leather, and this Chromexcel leather has such a unique and potent smell. Yeah, it's great. It's really, really great. When we open this edition, this is a brown sheepskin liner, and it has the tooled perimeter stitching all the way around, hand stitched. Dave does a great job with all these little detail work, and his pleating is really great. He did imprint on the inside of the liner on this specific edition. Limited small batch Horween, January 2022. He also created these custom hand-dyed end sheets, which is really cool. Really spectacular work. He used a coffee color page dye for the art gilt, which really complements the liner color as well as the Chromexcel cover. Now this edition is for sale, and you can contact Dave at cherryhillbibles.com if you're interested in purchasing it. The sale price on this edition is $389, and I'm sure that Dave could produce you one like it for a similar price. As I mentioned before, this is the large print personal size edition. It's a 2016 text, and the layout is a double column paragraph format, and it's a 12-point font. Really a great size. It's not too big. It's not too small. This Bible has a full yap on the front and top and bottom. It also has 4 Beresford ribbons, and those are a variety of different colors. And since this is a limited edition small batch run for Cherry Hill Bibles, Dave used a paper stamp to stamp in the Cherry Hill Bible insignia and write out the 5 of 10. So there's 10 in this small batch run, and this is number 5. And here we get another look at the custom dyed end sheets on the back end sheet. And if you want a little bit better look at it, you can probably see it a little bit better there. It looks really great, custom made. And you also see the Cherry Hill Bibles handcrafted in Michigan stamp on the back liner as well. This work is truly incredible. I think $389 is an amazing price, quite honestly. For this type leather, this type craftsmanship, it's really incredible work that Dave did here. And I really love this tumbled Horween Chromexcel leather. It's kind of like it had a break-in process where they really are rough on that leather to create some of this marbling look. And I love the effect that it gives it. So guys, if you want to purchase this Bible, again, it's for sale. The price is $389. That doesn't include shipping, but you can contact Dave Delfino at Cherry Hill Bibles, whether you contact him through Messenger or on his website. Please do that. Also, you can have one of these created for yourself out of your Bible of choice, and he will be happy to create that for you. And I'm telling you, you will not be unhappy with your Cherry Hill Bibles Rebind. This is an incredible Bible built by an incredible company. Really, really thankful for Dave and how he has just advanced and pushed the boundaries and pushed the envelope with custom rebinds over the last 2 years. Very thankful for him. Thanks, Dave, for sending me this to let me review it, and I'm going to send it back to Dave so one of you can buy it. So please do that. Contact him, and as with every video that I produce, I'm going to give away a Bible, and if you are this person, you won a Bible. Congratulations, and you left a comment on a recent video. Thank you for that. If you want to be eligible for a giveaway, just be sure to leave a comment on this video, how much you like Horween Bibles. Also, be sure to like the video if you like the content. And if you don't like it, hit that dislike twice just to really let me know how much you don't like it. And if you're looking for more ways to support the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless.